Hi there everyone. Before we take a look at your forecast for Wednesday, let's start off with the satellite loop. And we see lots of cloud cover was present today over the western parts, and within that cloud there were a few isolated thunder showers that brought some rainfall to both Springbok and Pofadder in the afternoon. It was mostly clear through the central parts of the country, while east of that scattered storms developed along the escarpment, and a couple of thunder showers also popped up in places in the northwest, Gauteng and Limpopo. On Wednesday, we're expecting a very good chance for rain through the central parts of the country, and the synoptic analysis clearly indicates a broad band of scattered thunder showers that's going to be developing in the northwest, the Free State, as well as in KZN, reaching southern Gauteng later on, and a few isolated storms on either side of that. Evening rainfall settles in along the coastline of the Eastern Cape and the Garden Route, while it is going to be a clear but windy day all across the west coast of the country. And that's reflected on the wind forecast. There we see Cape Town, southerly, 40 km/h wind in your forecast, while light winds are expected for the south and east coasts of the country. There's one alert that's been issued for Wednesday. That is for the possibility that severe thunder showers could develop, and the area concerned extends from southern Mpumalanga down into parts of the Eastern Cape. So we'll be keeping an eye on the thunder showers developing in that area in the afternoon. For KZN, cloud cover and the likelihood for rain increases as the day goes on. Wet weather spreads across the province, and in the Eastern Cape, a few thunder showers for the interior, while along the coastline it's going to be mostly cloudy and cool with light rain possible mainly into the evening. Similar along the south coast, where George reaches a high of only 19, and we could have a few early morning showers over the Karoo, but those will be clearing out quite quickly. Sunny as we head westwards, with the windy weather expected along the coastline, including the peninsula as well as around Langebaan. And in the Northern Cape, it will be a mostly clear and dry day, but partly cloudy in the east, and along the border with the northwest and the Free State, a few isolated thunder showers are likely. In the Free State, we're expecting scattered storms to develop, lots of cloud cover in the east, keeping Bethlehem and Harrismith cool at 23 degrees. And in the northwest, it will be a partly cloudy and warm to hot day. Mahikeng, Zeerust and Rustenburg all reach a high of 30 degrees, and a good chance for thunder showers all across the province. Isolated storms for most areas over Limpopo, but Phalaborwa will be hot and humid as well as dry once again with a maximum of 37. And into Mpumalanga, where we're expecting a 60% chance for thunder showers on the Highveld as well as the escarpment. Ermelo, 14 and 23, your temperatures, a fairly mild day over the Highveld. And finally into Gauteng, a warm afternoon for Johannesburg at 26 degrees, partly cloudy along with a 60% chance for thunderstorms. On Thursday, very wet weather is expected for much of the Free State, while in Gauteng it's going to be hotter. Johannesburg at 30 degrees, but you're still expecting good rainfall. And on Friday, it's going to be much cooler in that area with wet weather in the forecast and very similar conditions into Mpumalanga as well as KZN.